little QSB interrupting. Over.
November 9, Lima, Echo, November. Good afternoon with Green Bay Joe, QSL.
QSL. Okay, November 8th, Delta Lima. Come now and stand by N9 LEN and Green Bay Joe. Okay, November 9 DL. Come on in.
Are you referring to W9 QS?
I guess I do. Come now, please.
For WLP, W9 QS, W9 here for Spud, Dennis and Bill. It's good to see you. Not heavy overcast, it's a light overcast, light to medium overcast, and there's some solid overcast. That keeps good. I'm just showing at the rate it's going up now, we're going to have a whale of a snow pile. So again, give you a little details on the weather. Update on the weather. And the W9 East-West, for 7-3.
Well, thank you, and 7-3 to you. And with that, we'll go to N9EN. Come on in.
Well, good morning, Bob, and hello, Dennis. And Don was out there a little bit earlier. And Green Bay Joe's up and coming. This is N9 LEN, Len. Snowy, Janesville, Wisconsin, but no big deal. We're looking at. It's kind of windy more than anything. The snow on the ground, no big deal. And I'm looking out my windows now toward the cornfield. And sometimes the snow is coming straight down, and 5 seconds later, it gets real windy and it blows sideways, and the trees are swaying back and forth. So it's kind of an interesting format. So let's see, I'm looking at about 32 degrees, Bob, and that's about it. I was listening to the weather forecast last night, the local forecast, and they were forecasting Armageddon here with all the snow. That didn't come to fruition. But I did get out yesterday, and then I did pick up got all the necessary condiments and bread and whatever I'll need for the week. So I'm really okay. I don't plan to go anywhere. I don't plan to drive anywhere. I don't have to, and I'm not going to. I'll leave that up to the other people. So, okay, Bob, we got this. What's your weather conditions like, temperature-wise? It's snow on the ground, isn't it? This is N9 LEN. No,
yeah, we do. We've got, maybe about an inch, and we had a little more than it melted, and then last night we got about an inch, and it's snowing right now, but it's right at the borderline temperature of sticking on the ground, because it's about 34 degrees. And with that, I also have a question for the group today. In World War II, worldwide, there was about 60 million deaths. Can you name the top 3 countries? You don't have to tell me the number of deaths, but we just like to see if you know who lost the most people countrywide. And N9 LEN, I'll give you a shot at that before we go to Green Bay Joe's. Over.
Boy, that's a good one. I think Germany's in the top 3, and that's it. I'll leave it to everybody else. Okay, nice talking to you, Bob. We'll speak with you again. This is N9 LEN.
Okay, thank you for the check-in, and Green Bay Joe, come on aboard.
Good morning, WB9VKF. You got a really good signal here. 5 and 9 plus here this morning. And it's 33 degrees here. Going to be 34 today, I guess. And we're supposed to get 6 to 9 inches, but of snow here, and it started at about 6 o'clock this morning and didn't end until about 9 o'clock. But now it's not snowing, so maybe we'll skate by with the rest of the day here. That'd be good. Because I didn't take the snow off my driveway last time. And I still got a couple inches there. So, yeah, I got a lot of work to do tomorrow here. That's for sure. Get rid of all the snow and get the driveway and the sidewalks clean. It's going to take me about 2 hours here tomorrow here. So, it's going to take a long time. Anyway, yeah, it's pretty good up here right now. That's for sure. Anyway, the band is not in bad shape. The solar flux this morning is 176. The alpha 4. The kilo is 1.33. There's 162 sunspots on the sun. 43% chance of solar flares. And the solar wind speeds at 366 kilometers per second. So there you go with the solar forecast for the morning. And hey, I hope you're having a good day there. And hope you're not getting any of that snow. Anyway, we got to deal with it. That's all we can do with it. And that's the way it is. WB9 VKF 73. Take care. Have a good day there.
Well, thank you for the solar flux, Joe. And also, do you want to take a shot at on the question of the day? Is can you name the 3 countries that had the most deaths in World War II? Over.
I'd say Germany, Japan, and Judaism.
Okay, Germany, Japan, and call it Israel.
Yeah, we'll call it Israel.
Thank you for your input. And so either if you want to stand by or when I get done with the list, I'll repeat it or give it to the next day's operator. But I got your 3, and thank you, Joe, for the solar flux report. And we've got snow here coming down in Holland, and we had to check in from Muscatine, Iowa, and he said they're expecting another 6 inches. So it's going to be coming in from all the way to the east end or the west end of Iowa and coming east through Wisconsin and into Michigan. Green Bay Joe, and look for the next check-in. Come now, please. Over.
Shirley here.
Go, Flema. Come on in.
Yeah, you had another feller behind me there, Bob. This is QKG. That's the you had another feller that checked in before me. Go ahead and work you up by all means, okay?
So go ahead. Okay, boy, for some reason I had real white copy on you and couldn't get all of that. But anyway, thank you for the check-in. This is N4WLC Bob in Holland, Michigan, and we're looking for other check-ins. Come now, please.
Kilo Charlie 8 Sierra Delta Lima.
Sierra Golf Lima, come on in. Any others? None here. Sierra Golf Lima, come in and give us your name, over.
Yeah, okay, Bob. Again, the call is Kilo Charlie 8 Sierra Delta Lima. And you had another one checking behind me. Go ahead and take him and I'll stand by. Kilo Charlie 8 Sierra Delta Lima. Sierra Delta Lima. I'll stand by, Bob. Over.
Okay, if there was another station in there that I missed, come now, please, over. Victor Bravo Foxtrot, Kilo Golf 8, Victor Bravo Foxtrot, come in for mid-cars, over.
Yeah, Kilo Echo, Brad, and Michigan. And just wanted to touch base with you, Bob, when I got to check in with you guys and hearing all the weather reports. This is Kilo Echo 8.
Lima Hotel.
Lima Hotel. I don't know if the last signal I was copying just went blank on me, but I couldn't hear anything. I could see the S-meter popping around a little bit, but my noise level is up to almost S7.5. How do you copy me, over?
I got a good copy on you, Bob. I think the other station signed out there. That station that was just in there with Bob, excuse me, you want to come back? Yeah, and it ain't all it's relay. I got a beautiful copy. Anything else from you? Okay. You have yourself a good week there. He's clear, Bob. Go ahead. HLH.
Okay, thank you. How about KCH Sugar Golf Lima? We're standing by. Come on in.
I got to buy into the local frequency. Quick transition, Bob. I'll tune you in. Over.
Pacific cab is over there.
Give me your call sign again, please.
This is K9AJP, David, over here, Rochester, Minnesota. Tune me in, but you're just a little bit low on frequency, I think. KPH SDL, I believe it is, here, Delta Lima. By golly, yes, we're K9AJP, go ahead.
K9AJP, I think you got a little bit better. Yeah, frequency a little bit. I just turned on the throttle. Thanks for the relay. Okay, our good friend from our attention, Rob here, Kilo Charlie 8, Sierra Delta Lima, BG. Go ahead, Bob.
Okay, I got you that time. And let's go back to KCH SGL. I never did get his transmission. Over.
Not a problem. Good afternoon. Give the call and back to Kilo Charlie 8, Sierra Delta Lima. Over.
Okay, come on in. Give us your transmission. And did you get the question?
Yes, I did. What man have we been done before, too? I thought it was the place for 39 months. North Africa is definitely a killer place. I'm going to say a whole 30, probably 50 and maybe USSR. The force don't make good. That's my free guess. Over.
Okay, I did get Russia and China. What was your third?
Russia, actually Japan, and the U.S. The U.S. services, wildlife club with the U.S. services, but the U.S., Japan, and the forest over.
Okay, Russia, Japan, and USA. You had one of them, and this was you, and let's see, who else was standing by? We had an APD. Come now. Over. Well, sorry about that. We got some high noise here, and we had K9AJP made a contact, and was there any other things that I missed? Come now, please.
Hotel.
Whiskey 2, Yankee Mike. Come on in. We're doing well. Did you hear my question? We're trying to find the answer to who had the most, the country that had the three most deaths in World War II. Can I have your guesstimate on that? Over. Well, the original question is, worldwide we have 60 million deaths. Can you name the top three countries in terms of number of deaths in World War II? Over. Okay, I got France, Japan, and Germany. Well, you got one out of three, but we'll have an answer either by the end of the net around 2 o'clock, or I'll give it to the leadoff man who starts tomorrow. And we'll start with W2 Yankee Mike. Thank you for the check-in, and if it gets colder, I think they're going to have rain there too. There's still snow, but we got pretty heavy snow indicated all the way from Muscatine, Iowa to across Michigan, and I would think Indiana and Ohio are going to get more of the same, and Illinois, of course. So we're clear with the two Yankee Mike, and I want to ask K9AJP if you're still on the band. You want to give us your vote for the question? Over.
No, sure, Bob. We're still hanging in here a little bit. Golly gee, I would have to say Japan. And golly gee, I thought, hey, you know, we lost quite a few guys in them wars too. I tell you, I don't know. I maybe probably Japan, and I was gonna say Germany, but I don't know. I'm pretty sure Japan's in there, but no, there's a lot of Jews that were lost in Germany. That's I don't know if they're included in that or not. But definitely see, Bob. Yeah, you got me there with Bob.
Okay, well, I've got kind of your semi-guess there, and you did hit one of them. So we're going to clear with K9AJP and thank him again for bailing me out at the start of the hour as I was tied up with a doctor's appointment with my bride. Anyway, this is N for WLT, Bob in Holland, Michigan for Midcars, looking for check-in. Anyone, anywhere. Come now, please. Over. Give me your call sign again, slowly and phonetically, please. Roger. Come on in and give us the transmission. Okay, well, thank you for the check-in, and the question of the day was, what three countries had the most deaths in World War II? Over. Well, that could be included, but in the concentration camps, there were deaths from many different countries. But we want to answer as to which three countries had the most deaths in World War II. Got any guess? Got any more? Okay, well, we'll just you in with the United States and Japan. And with that, we'll clear with KZOB and go to the next check-in for mid-cars. Come now, over. KB8 station, give me your address, please.
Kilo Delta is Echo Charlie Quebec.
Well, I got Echo Charlie Quebec and it Whiskey 8 Kilo Delta, over. Okay, Echo Charlie Quebec, come on in and give us the transmission, over. Well, we're not talking about death in concentration camps. We're talking the three countries with the most deaths. Poland had quite a few of them, but got any more countries, over? Okay, you're right. Well, actually, the United States was way down on near the bottom of the list in World War II, as was Britain. We both had a little over 400,000 deaths each, and the United States lost more than Britain because of the war with Japan. That was a deadly one for us. But thanks for the check-in, Dave, and enjoy the weather. There's a lot more coming. We talked to a station in Muscatine, Iowa this morning, and the bad weather was still west of them. They were expecting 6 inches more snow. So it's got to travel quite a ways before it gets into the Buckeye State. It's got to cross Iowa, Illinois, and Indiana before it gets to you. So brace yourself for a little more and enjoy the day. And we'll clear with Kilo Bravo 8, Echo Charlie, and open up the mid-cars for more check-ins. Anyone, anywhere. Over.
Whiskey 0 Tango Romeo Delta.
The Whiskey 0 Tango station, come on in and give me the middle letter of your suffix. Over.
always whiskey, zero, tango, Romeo, Delta, over.
Wait, Rookie?
QSL on the call sign. Is it still snowing at your QTH? Over.
Section down on Bob here. Good morning, Bob. Good morning, David out there in the weeds. I'm located in Iowa City, Iowa. We've been under a snow event since about 5:30 p.m. last night, and we've got an accumulation of about down. It's pretty wet. We've been hovering right around 33 degrees or so. It's wet snow, about 6 inches, and still snowing with a pretty good rate. Talking about maybe another 6 or 8 inches before this thing's over in the next 12 hours or so. So that's my report from Iowa City, and I'd say the Soviet Union, and I'd say China and Germany.
Soviet Union, China, and Germany. Well, for that one, and we'll give the correct answer near the end of the show at 2 o'clock, which is another hour. Or if you check in tomorrow, I'm going to give the lead-off man the